Hello and welcome to Hands-On Education. This video is about the national flowers of the United Kingdom. Each country within the United Kingdom has a national flower. What are the national flowers? Do you have any ideas? The national flower of Scotland is the thistle. Legend has it that this prickly plant saved Scottish clansmen from being attacked by Vikings. The Scotsmen were asleep in the woods when the Vikings came to attack them. The Vikings crept slowly, barefoot, towards the Scotsmen so they wouldn't be heard, when one of them stood on a prickly thistle and let out such a loud cry it woke up the sleeping Scotsmen before they could be attacked. The national flower of Wales is the daffodil. This bright and friendly flower can be found throughout Wales and is often worn on the 1st of March to celebrate St. David's Day. The shamrock, also known as the three-leaved clover, is a common symbol seen throughout Northern Ireland. The three-leaved shamrock is unofficially the national flower of Northern Ireland. It is believed by some that St. Patrick used the shamrock to demonstrate the Holy Trinity and show how the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit can live in unity when he brought the word of Christianity to Ireland. The national flower of England is the rose. The rose has been the national flower of England since the 1400s. At this time, two noble families were fighting to rule England. The House of York was represented by a white rose, and the House of Lancaster represented by a red rose. This became known as the War of the Roses. Later, when peace was restored upon a marriage between the two families, this symbol, showing the red and white rose together, was created. And so, each country within the United Kingdom is represented by its own flower, for its own significant reasons. For your hands-on activity, use different materials to print the flowers of the United Kingdom. Display these prints in a shield to show the countries are united. For more information about this activity and more activities related to the UK, please go to handsoneducation.com, Year 2, the United Kingdom. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and we will see you soon. Bye!